Rice milling machines are designed to provide higher yield and profitability for the rice millers. Our innovative rice processing solutions minimize the in-process wastage, manpower requirement, and maintain hygienic standards in food processing. We design, manufacture, and supply end-to-end rice milling solutions, including cleaning machines, husking machines, whitening machines, polishing machines, grading machines, sorting machines, and packaging machines. Classifier can efficiently separate oversized and undersized impurities from food grains. The inbuilt self-clean system ensures optimum efficiency during the production cycle. Operation and angle controller to adjust the angle of throw. Destoner, intended to facilitate the removal of stones from input grains by separating impurities based on their densities. Pneumatic sheller is fully automatic with imported vibro feeder. This machine is capable of attaining up to 95% shelling. An inbuilt cooling system to dissipate heat generated on the rubber rolls. Tray patty separator can efficiently separate patty and brown rice by its differential density. The separated products are discharged via 3 separate outlets for brown rice, patty, and a mixture of patty and rice. Rice, brown rice, mixture. Tech thickness grater is used to separate different thickness grains. The material is processed through revolving cylindrical screens that are efficient for separating admixture of oversized or undersized grains. Rice whitener incorporates advanced techniques for whitening of brown rice. The rice whitened very gently between abrasive and metal break without distracting the original shape of the rice kernel. The bran that is removed after whitening is used for oil extraction. Silky polisher is used for polishing the rice surface by spraying water. Grains are coated with a fine spray of water, resulting in a high degree of glazing. The silky polisher produces rice grains with a shiny surface finish. Length grater is widely used for the separation of broken rice from full rice and long rice. Our length graters enable our customers to separate broken grains from whole grains by passing them through rotating indented cylinders. Tech color sorters are accurate and efficient with an excellent sorting capability. Our color sorters are equipped with several features such as maglev technology ejectors, auto sorting control systems, image capturing systems, and capable of storing up to 200 profiles. Packing machine. Our packaging equipment allows our customers to pack grains into bags with capacities ranging from 5 kilograms to 75 kilograms. Rice milling machines are designed to provide higher yield and profitability for the rice millers. Our innovative rice processing solutions minimize the in-process wastage, manpower requirement, and maintain hygienic standards in food processing. We design, manufacture, and supply end-to-end rice milling solutions, including cleaning machines, husking machines, whitening machines, polishing machines, grading machines, sorting machines, and packaging machines.